As you are watching with, oh, hi, there's your cat.
Yes. My research assistant.
The possibility.
Whoa. Hey, cat.
3, 2, 1. Stop it.
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
Partly sunny with some sprinkles possible late, 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just...
Day 1 a.m. Thursday. Excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
To a special Lego Town event that's not open to...
Hey,
Aaron, were you going to say something?
which cat is that?
That's Puffy.
Puffy. Got it. Okay.
Evacuation routes are now fully reopened and crews remain on standby. Oh.
De abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante ilustre aqui, né, Denise?
Ai, gente, perdão.
Dá.